For such a time as this. Well, one of the ways that Canadians come to America is through sponsorship, and you can't actually get into the U.S. With a visa properly unless you are supported by someone here in the U.S. And the ministry that supported Peter and Joy when they first came down, and actually the ministry that supported Elizabeth and I when we came down, was CMM, headed by Jorge Parrot. So we're going to invite Jorge Parrot along now to come and bring regards and connect some of the dots and bring greetings. Come on up, George.
Thank you, Jesse. Peter and Joy, we love you guys and your family, and we're just so excited that the Lord has continued to show His faithfulness and shine His face and His glory on Peter and his ministry. And it's hard to believe it's been 50 years. Did you start when you were like 3 or something? I remember we first met Peter and Joy. I can't remember if it was in Roanoke, Virginia first or in Charlotte Ministries. But we met him through a good friend of ours, John Kemp, and I'm sure he sends his greetings. He's about 86 years old now and a mighty man of God. And he introduced us to Peter and Joy. And we've had some great adventures together. And we're happy and we're blessed that we were able to help in some small way, sponsoring their visas in the early days to help them get established. And it has not gotten easier to get visas than it used to be. It's gotten even more difficult, as you know, and many people struggle with immigration. But these are good guys, and so they had our stamp of approval to come in. And I remember playing some golf with Peter one time over by Lake Wiley, and he was showing me how to hit the ball pretty far, but I showed him how it felt really good to throw the club just as far. And I remember one time Peter stepped over the line and he went too far, and I had to put my foot down. And you know, he loves to paint, and he's really a prophetic painter. Do you still paint elephants, Peter? Really prophetic images, a lot of symbolism and meaning in his paintings of elephants. But when he went over the line and I had to just say no to Peter Wyns, that's not easy to do, but he asked me to be a model for one of those elephants. And I said, no way, Peter, not today. So we've had a lot of great times, a lot of good laughs together, and we're just getting started. We're teenagers, really, and there's a world to win to Jesus Christ, to help have a firm foundation. And we love Peter and Joy's heart for Israel and standing with Israel. And we love to pray for you guys as you go around the world. And we're just so excited. I could go on and on, but I do want to give accolades to Joy, who will have many crowns in heaven.
Yes.
Faithful service and the anointing and the weight of the glory of the Lord that is on her life too. So don't ever overlook Joy.
Amen.
Wins.
Amen.
And that reminds me of an old American saying that behind every great man is a woman rolling her eyes.